In this lesson, we want to explain a magic wand tool. This tool is one of the selection tools based on a color code. That is, wherever you click, it detects the color code under the mouse click and selects a similar pixel. For example, when you click on this white cloud, it selects or detects all white color. As far as the white colors continue till the boundaries of the object. And simply by click and drag, you can move it easily. Just like the selection tool, you can fill background or let it blank, transparent I mean. In the background fill section, select the same two modes that are explained in the previous lesson, and we will not repeat it, but it is very simple. It's transparent or fill the color based on a rounding color, as you can see. In the selection, there is a slider that you can make the selection more or less. For example, when we click this cogwheel, as you can see, when we turn the slider less and more, as you can see, the selection becomes smaller. Okay. Global color option. When enabled, select all color code in the entire image and no longer limits itself to the boundaries of the object or where the mouse clicks. For example, when you click this white cloud, all white color of the photo are selected, as you can see. Okay, and for example, choose this magnifying glass and you can delete it, or you can fill it the color with a fill tool. Or another example, in this photo, click on one of the flowers and you can select the flowers with magic wand tool. You can change the slider less and more. Okay, this is magic wand tool.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.